Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you my new necklace design which I made by clay. I made this necklace pendant using very minimal tool. This pendant is very elegant. You can wear this type of necklace on any plain basic t-shirt or tank top. To make this necklace, I used 2 jump rings and 1 silver chain. I want to ask you one question here. Can you guess which tool I used to make this necklace? I know that you also use this tool, but you never use that on clay. Just go in comment section and write which tool I used here. If you guys want complete detailed tutorial on this necklace, just comment down below so I will make that for you. Thank you for watching.